kind of cocoons could be used for different materials. So they are choosing according to the usage. I'm going to introduce you to the next workshop, the silk reeling workshop. It's where they draw the silk out of the cocoons, draw the fine, thin silk filament, the tiny thread of the silk. This is a cocoon, but it only contains one thread. It takes a silkworm 72 hours to produce one. This is only one thread. It could reach the length of 1,200 meters. This one. There is a workshop to draw the silk out of the cocoon. You draw the silk outside the cocoon. Each thread is made of 8 or 9 cocoons. 8 or 9. This is one thread. It's a silk. You can feel it if you want.
你可以用手摸一下，对，
It's a silk.
非常轻。
Very light.
So soft.
This company established in 1997. 97 in Chinese sounds like 金九. 金九 is also a name of the railway, Beijing to Jiulong. So they choose this as the name of the company. So far, it has been in operation for 29 years. Next year will be the 30th anniversary of the company.
金九丝绸是一个全产业链的剪丝绸企业。
So for every month, it will produce different kinds of silks. The raw silk, 20 tons. And for the silk garment fabrics, 150,000 to 200,000 meters monthly.
我们企业的产品，内销比例可能占到70%左右。
Domestic selling occupies 70%. The export occupies around 30%. There are two ways of exporting. One way is direct. The other way is we sell the fabric to our customers, and customers make the fabric into garments and sell abroad. So far, the main exporting way is to the fabric sold to the customers make into silk garments.
目前应该说我们中国的丝绸产品，
China is a major silk fabric producing country, and our company mainly sells the silk to the East Asian areas. But if customers need, they could adapt to the market to sell, the places where they need the kind of product.
给大家讲2个小故事啊。
There are two stories. First one, our employees are very, very outstanding. For example, there is a female worker here. In China, there are how many? 300,000 female workers producing silk. And this worker working here, he won the first prize in the national silk reeling competition.
还有一个就是在今年1月份。
And also, the other story is that our brand Huashiyadi last year has just named as a famous China consumer brand by the Industrial and Information Technology Ministry of China. Which is to confirm the high quality of our products.
我简单的，因为这个需要解释的时间比较长，我简单的总结一下。
To conclude, Mr. Zhou wants to say that first of all, it was because we have a stable local resource for the silk. So our product very, very stable. Secondly, our the company is a all-chain industry, which means we could pursue the high quality here. Then number three, we have been upgrading and improving our industrial chains all the time.
是目前我们这个行业当中是比较先进的丝绸制造工艺。
So as you see, there are several different workshops. For example, silk reeling and other ones are very kind of advanced in China. But there are the first workshop you see the workers standing sitting at the desk. We are trying to improve that to make it more efficient.
实际上也是一个与时代发展共同创新的产业。
This company is doing market oriented. So it is trying to keep on innovation and trying to keep up with the market needs. Silk industry is traditional as well as it has great potential. For example, recently it has been popular that Chinese young people wear hanfu, the han garment, and ma nian qun, a special kind of skirts. Okay, and we are trying to design in order to meet the youngsters' needs. And also we have designed beddings not so complicated because young people prefer to be very the color not so strong, very pure color, something like that, to meet the youngsters' need.